If you struggle with anxiety, I'm going to teach you a technique to reduce your anxiety, but also to understand it better. So, one thing about anxiety is that it often leads us to ask many, many questions. So, whenever we feel anxious, we often have a lot of questions in our mind, like what if this is not the right decision? What if X? What if Y? What if Z? And oftentimes, a lot of these questions are unanswerable questions. So, one way to help reduce some of your anxious thinking is to take a piece of paper, to take a pen, and to write down all of the questions that you have in your mind. They can be related to any type of anxiety you have. And then it's really important to go through the list and realize that many of these questions are completely unanswerable. The way that we know that they're unanswerable is that if we tried to run a research study on them and we got like a group of scientists, these scientists would not be able to formulate an answer to this question. For example, a lot of times people are anxious with the thought, like, what if this isn't the right decision? What if this isn't the right career, the right relationship, etc.? And the thing is, there's literally no way of knowing that. Even at the end of somebody's lifetime, we will never know what the right decision was. We can never really know that. We don't know which decision leads to another decision and which variable is the one that should have been optimized. There's just too much data in our lives, there's too many variables. And it's the being comfortable with the unknowing that's going to help reduce the anxiety, not asking all of these questions, which are the wrong questions to be asking.